Hey guys, it's your boy here, and today we're going to do another unboxing video with the new string launcher that is right and left spin, Minoboros Attack Bay, and then the Avatar Attack Stadium with Corbase and Voucher. Okay, so let's get started unboxing. First, I'm gonna unbox the new string launcher. Okay, there we go. There's the code if you need it. Okay. So this looks pretty decent. It's small though, I would say. It's good. But I would see how to unlock this. Say like that. Sorry. Yeah, that's a left spin. Yeah, this is to lock it. Then to turn it is like, it's right here. Then you lock it right here. Then it turns. Okay, so this is the new string launcher that does right and left spin. Move this to the side. Pretty decent. Small. So I'm gonna, since it says small, I'm gonna add one of these old gen launchers so I can have an extra grip. Yeah, it's better. Right and left spin. And I would think this part is for the Legend Spriggan, the new Legend Spriggan that comes out to make it go left spin and right spin. So I would say this is for that new Legend Spriggan. Okay, now let's go on to Minoboros. Okay, this is Minoboros Attack Bay Quake. I believe. Wait, what is this armor called? Oval, I believe, is called, and then Minoboros, the energy layer. Okay. Now, time for Avatar Attack Stadium. Let's start doing some battles. Okay. Sorry guys, now I have to move the camera. Let's keep it like that. Okay. Now, first round we're gonna do Corbase K2 versus Voucher. Let's get this battle started. For these rounds, I'm not going to use these Avatar attack because it wouldn't be really fair. Because if two people were here, it would be like a fair chance. But for the Bay, because if Corbase goes up here and I just do this, but Voucher could be up here, and I wouldn't be able to do this because I can only control one. I'm not that fast. Okay. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Okay. With this, looks like the new launcher has some good power. Oh. Voucher wins with stamina finish. So it's 1-0. Okay. What? Let's do it again. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. There we go. Come on. There we go. Finally. Oh, snap. That was a burst. That is the first time a burst happened. But without my mother. Yes. So now it's 2-1. Okay. Time for round 3. 3, 2, 1. Let it rip. There you go. No redos. Okay. Looks like Valchek in it with the attacks. Oh, wait. Now that I realize, hold on. Cabeas won the match with 3-2. Okay. But the weird thing is, there is this, like, if you kind of look, if you go by the stadium, there's this thing down here. There's this, like, it goes up in the middle. That makes the if you see this sign, this shine in here, that is where it goes up, where the bay can't even go up there, so it might waste stamina on there. That's why Valchek and Cabez was moving to the direct middle. Now on to the second match with Cabez and Minaboros. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Oh, I would say that's a tie, but I didn't see that. So yeah, it was a draw. So it's 0-1. No one gets point from that round. Okay. On to round 2. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. There you go. Third time is the charm. There you go. Now you get to see some action. Like some hard hits. Oh. Oh. Minaboros won that with a survivor finish. Minaboros has 1 and Cabez has 0. Minaboros is winning. Okay. Round 3. 3, 2, 1. Let it rip. There we go. Oh, attacks. Oh, Minaboros jumped. Oh. Got some more attacks. Oh. I would say Minaboros had that like half spin. So I would say Minaboros won that. Is winning with 2 points. And Cabez has 0. Okay. Round 4. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Okay. There we go. Oh, sorry. This came off. It looks like Minaboros went crazy and hit Valchek's. I'm sorry, tap. Oh! Cabez won that with a burst out finish. So, Cabez caught up. So it's 2-2. Okay. On to round 5. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Oh! 1 hit. That was 1 hit. Okay, so Cabez won with 4-2. Cabez caught up. Okay, so Cabez won that match. Looks like Cabez is winning the matches. Okay. So that was my unboxing video and battle video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like and comment down below. Hope you guys have a great day. And bye.